In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install MyDStv app from Google Play Store. If you've been trying to install this app from Google Play Store on your Android smartphone, but you are unable because of this error, then follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix this error, you need first to go to Google Play Store app. So I'll go to Play Store here, and first make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your app. However, if you are unable while logged in, then go to the profile icon on your Google Play Store here and scroll down to settings. Under settings, you can see we have various options. We are interested in the network option and choose network preferences. If you tap on this, we have quite a number of options here. We want to configure our app download preference. So I'll choose app download preference and make sure you choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to or any network that is available. To save this, tap on OK. Now go try and install your MyDStv app. However, if you are still unable to install it, then the problem might be with this Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to troubleshoot it by going to Play Store app, and we want to access this Play Store app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info here. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on this to access Play Store app information page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we want to clear Play Store app data, and if I go to storage, you should see a breakdown of data. Of importance is this cache data. Currently, I have over 4.78 MBs of cache data. When this cache data accumulates, this might cause your Play Store to malfunction, and you might be hindered from downloading apps. At this point, clear this by just typing on clear data down below and choose clear cache and then OK, and you can see our cache data has been cleared and some of the user that made part of user data. At this point now, you will need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now open your Play Store app, search for your app. So I'll search for MyDStv app, just like that. Let me run the search, and now we have our app here. I'll proceed and tap on install to see if the problem has been fixed. And as you can see, now I'm able to install MyDStv app. So that's how you can fix can't install MyDStv app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.